Uh-oh. Nope. I don't know if we're going to get that guy.
I think we should get Betty. I want to do it. What do you think?
By the head.
What do you think?
3. There you go. Perfect. Oh, no. Stay there. I go for the body on this one. Beep, beep, beep. There you go. Nice. What? What are you doing?
It won't go away.
Lord.
Maybe I don't want it there.
You push it left and right, not left and down and all over. That's got it. No way is that falling. All right.
I'm giving it to Liz. We have like.
You gonna shake it or what, dude? I'm not doing all the work for you.
I can't. I got pop bottles in my hand.
Put them down.
No.
Dude.
See? You did all the work for me. Thanks.
Jeez, oh Pete's. Go back to this minion. Ooh, maybe. Oh, hanging there by the hair.
But yeah.
Oh, jeez, that's gonna be close. Nice.
Yeah.
Got him. Whew.
See, all you needed was my good luck charm.
Your what?
My good luck charm.
Which was?
Getting Betty.
Oh. Try to get Margot here.
Well, maybe I don't want Margot.
She's got a crooked head. I think they're all like that, though.
First one we got there.
Oh, get off the damn panda.
There. I did his hair off all nice and special. Almost. There. I did his hair off all nice and special. Look it.
Oh.
All nice and special.
Should I go for the fruity patootie?
No.
I'm gonna get the fruity patootie.
You want the fruity patootie?
Ooh, can I rake it? Ooh. Raked it a little bit. I did nothing good for it.
Nope.
Ah, crap. Emergency. 3, 2, 1. Ah. I don't think I'm gonna get that one. She's too packed in now. Yeah, I can get that monkey. Did you get the monkey? I'll try to get the monkey.
Monkey.
Yeah, there's another one. I'll go with the monkey. I might knock that basketball on too.
Look. The scouter's back has come in handy.
Oh, I ran out of quarters. Whoa. What am I trying to get here?
Oh no, you want the fruity patootie. You never said the monkey.
I did too.
No, you didn't.
Oh.
You didn't get it.
Oh, come on, monkey. this one again. It never spins the other way.
I'll get the monkey.
Alright. Do one more try for the monkey.
You can't get it.
Alright. Huh?
What about the little raccoon?
I'm trying. I'm looking around his left paw and his right foot. I don't know. Oh. Better slide. Didn't slide.
I think we're done. I think we're done here.
Maybe.
I think we still need to go to the bowling alley and ask them stuff and go to Myron's once we meet.
Nice.
Now we're done here.
Awesome. Oh, I missed it. Crap.
Can't believe you just did that.
I didn't even turn the video on just to try and get it. Try to get in here. Okay. Okay, we got it in there. That one should be coming. Oh, good Betty too. There we go.
Oh, it's all the way up.
How cool is that?
Screw.
Now it's gonna stick. Okay. Is it really on the screw?
It's up here.
Let's see. Oh boy.
Way to go, Dad. You just made it worse. Drop the phone.
I'm going to. Alright, get ready to grab it in case.
I'll just...
Oh, come on.
Can't. Got it. Nope, didn't get it.
Come off of there.
This is hilarious.
Wait, there it goes. What's the other? Oh, you still left the Betty Boop in there?
Yeah.
Alright. Try one more. We'll go return yours. Come on, man.
Now, how many May ones do we have?
Enough.
So I can give her a May and a June.
Alright, let's go return those. There you go. So it's done. Hey, there's another loopy thing back there.
It's an owl.
Should I try for this guy?
No.
We're gonna do it anyway.
Then why ask me?
Just so you know that I'm completely ignoring what you say. Go. Perfect.
What'd you say?
Exactly. Look at that, dude. I got it. Holy crap. I didn't expect that. That was awesome.
He says good job.
Should I get the snake?
No.
These guys are just way too easy, though. Should have it. snake.
It says good job.
Good job. Thank you for saving me from this really hot machine, sir.
Minions can't speak English. Neither can the snake.
You sure about that?
Positive.
I'm gonna try the pizza. I know it's way down there, but we're on a bit of a streak today. Oh no! There we go. There we go. Oh, it went underneath.
Get the chicken.
No, that's not too far.